Na parang if
Swerte
it's
mo.
not worth my time, I drop it.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang if you've been through a lot in your life then, you don't wanna accommodate extra burden anymore. Parang bakit ko pa ikakargo yan? 'Di ba? Na parang I need someone to help me carry the baggage.
Mm-mm. Wala nung 20s ako, kakargohin
Ako rin eh. I mean, yun yung gusto kong matutunan.
As a cargador, can I cargo your
Kaya aborta tayo ng 20s tayo
Go,
eh.
diba?
Cargo your
Oo.
Pero
dilemma.
alam mo yung pattern nakikita ko kapag when we turn in our 30s, parang pinipili na nga natin kung anong worth it. And
Yeah.
yun yung learning ko when I step in my 30s. 30,
Mhm.
na parang, you know, I can decide what I want. I know what I want. Na parang, kasi nung mga 20s ko, parang please pa tayo.
Yeah.
Parang gusto mo maging friends lahat.
Tama.
Pero parang
On the
nung
good side of
30s,
everyone.
Oo, nung 30s natin, alam mo nang anong gusto mo, ayaw mo niyan. Kaya I'm impressed na alam ever since like, diba?
Oh, na-realize ko tuloy, ang taray ko pala.
Hindi naman. Pero
taray
hindi naman siya.
Pero nga, na-recognize mo na talaga lahat yung mga...
Oo,
Oo.
parang clear boundaries talaga
Oo.
ako. Even with friends. Like, I know na if I don't like this person, hindi ako magta-try mag-please na tong
Mm-mm.
taong to. Pero alam ko kung gusto ko tong tao talagang karga.
Kakargahin.
Kargador.
Nagkaroon
Gano'n
ka ba ng
kabigat
mga-
yan?
Nagkaroon ka ba ng mga routines for mental and,
Yeah.
physical
Kasi
nag-
sabi mo na anxious ka nung pageant.
na ginawa? Oo.
Oo.
Na-apply mo na sa sarili mo.
It's for you.
In pageantry or
For yourself.
in general?
To improve mental and
Mm.
physical.
Akala ko before medyo I got my ducks in a row na eh.
Mm-mm.
Pero when I met my partner now, nagulo niya yung buhay ko.
In a good way.
In such a way na parang challenge niya ako as a person.
That's nice.
Na-expand. It was hard.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang ang dami ko palang iniwasan in life before because I wanted less problems.
Less
Parang
stress.
siguro you become less confrontational in a way.
Mm-mm.
Parang instead of dealing with it, I'll drop it.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Iwasan na lang.
Oo. Tapos there are things
Same.
that you don't fight for anymore.
Oo.
Kasi you choose peace.
Right.
You would rather be kind than be right.
Right.
Ayan na, ito na yung mga learnings ng
Oo,
30s.
oo.
Pero, he taught me na there are things worth fighting for that we have to fight for.
Example.
Siguro, yung mga things that we want in life, in yung career, parang we don't just wait for it to happen. You have to make it happen.
Right.
Lalo na siguro sa atin as pageant girls before na, ito na yung peak.
And
Diba?
until now, we're still in that, nasa industry pa rin tayo. Kasi si Nicole now is a director din ng isang international
Pageant director,
Wow.
yeah. Oo, hindi
So-
ako directly, no?
Nag-direction film?
Hindi ganon. I mean,
Okay.
pageant director.
Okay.
So, medyo involved pa rin kami in a sense na nandun na kami sa likod.
And
We
the fact that
oversee.
we always host Binibini for how many years,
Oo.
diba?
Yes.
Parang we're
Para
still
tayo
there.
na.
Alam mo,
Yes,
yes,
July.
guys.
Hello.
Alam, favorite ko, aliw ko pag kayo nag-host. Ako,
Yung mga memes.
Marihan.
Yes. As in, sobra. Like, like kapag kayo ng host. Pero anyway, sabi mo nga, nag-challenge ka. And can you say na may growth then for you?
Super growth. Lalo na kasi it came at a time in my life na, yun nga, peak yung pageantry, career.
Yeah.
Tapos after nun, yung next is settling down. So
Yeah.
parang my head, nandun yung blueprint ng life ko. When it didn't happen, at the timeline that I wanted it to happen, it was hard to veer away from that.
Right.
Na I need to redraft my life. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, you were so ready to be a mom.
Yeah.
Settle
Diba?
down.
Oo, to have a permanent partner in life. Na parang, oy, chill muna ako dito. Ikaw muna kumayod dyan. Kasi medyo ang dami kong pinagdaanan na. Diba? Akala
Carry
ko
the
magiging
package.
princess na ako.
Carry the package.
Yeah. And then, I met my partner and then, talagang he pushed me into my second awakening, I guess. Nabalik yung grit ko. Nag-open up talaga my mind, my heart to like creativity. So, yeah, parang I needed that person in my life to push me. And siguro, parang instead of mag-chill na ako and choosing peace, parang sige, paglaban pa natin tong bigger dreams that we have. Like now, I get to, I'm so inspired to dream again.
Aww.
That's nice.
Kasi for the longest time, di ba, parang akala ko nga yung
Medyo okay ka
inspiration
na.
date ko sa
I was
industriya
gonna say,
natin is like 3 years.
Yeah,
I was so
yeah.
ready to accept it na parang,
Right.
di ba, mga beauty queens,
Oo.
MJ, alam mo
And
yan.
every
Like,
year kasi may bago. Lalo na
Oo,
ngayon, ang dami-dami
ang
ng
dami.
pageants.
Ang gaganda
Yeah.
nila.
Saka hindi
Yes.
lahat pinagpapala ng projects.
Oo.
So ako na parang never naman ako naging Miss Universe, naging big star. Parang, ay, kinukuha pa nila ako. Di ba?
Yes.
Oy, may work pa ako.
They see me.
They still want me.
Oo.
Yeah. So, parang, okay, now I got that. I think I still have fight left in me. Ganun feeling in my 30s. So when I hit 33, 34, I feel so liberated. Kasi na-realize ko rin na I worked so hard to reach this point in my life na I should be able to enjoy it. Na even with the challenges, yung challenges kailangan ma-enjoy ko rin siya. Kasi I was blessed with so much na I have so much safety net na tinahi ko by myself. Binurda ko when I was in my 20s na wala ako nun before. Wala tayo nun before.
Right.
Diba? Na parang gutom lang meron natin dati.
Oo.
Pero now,
Literal na gutom.
literal,
Yeah.
literal na
Budget
parang
na
hindi
budget.
ako makabili ng KFC kasi
Tama.
yung
Oo.
allowance ko how
Hindi
much
na.
lang.
Siomay lang tayo dyan sa tabi.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero now, di ba, parang anong excuse natin to not dream of a bigger life and take bigger risks?
Ako, sobrang gusto ko yung pag-pivot mo nga na parang hindi lang pala pageant pero there's something else. At what point nga na parang, ay, okay, I can try social media, I can try yung podcast. You have a podcast and, you know, your creativity, yung hilig mo sa books. At what point na parang, go ko na to? Like, how do you start na mag-go na to?
I think I always just did. Pero it was also my partner who pushed me then to like do really well and execute it well.
Do your best, never.
Oo. And actually really go out of myself. Kasi I felt like, no, hanggang dito lang yung kaya ko. Parang I'm too old for social media.
Right.
I'm too private.
Right.
Ganon, like, I don't wanna share a lot of my...
Ang
Parang we
hirap.
share a lot,
Ang
pero
hirap.
not personal
Oo.
stuff.
Ako rin, same. It's so hard for me. Kaya nga sabi ko
Oo.
talaga, hirap maging vlogger. Hindi ko kaya.
Yeah.
My personal space is my haven.
That's true.
I feel like, you know, ang daming intruders pag
Yeah.
shinare ko siya online.
Pero the good thing also is, ngayon, nag-shift na yung social media from like, becoming fanatics of people and yung
personal life.
yung mga haul. Ano yung mga luxury haul? Di ba laging
yes.
ganon?
Okay, yeah.
Yung mga consumption, overconsumption.
Yeah.
Now, it's
Hindi na
lifestyle,
masyado.
Yes.
well-being.
Health, wellness.
So, nandun ako, like, it's my
It's so
time
you.
to
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah.
If this episode made you laugh, think, or suddenly text your friend, "Are we doing life right?" You're in the right place. Follow Trentitas so you never miss an episode. And share it with a fellow 30-something who's also balancing dreams, bills, and existential questions. Because let's be honest, nobody really knows what they're doing in their 30s. We're all just figuring it out. Stick around for more real talk, good vibes, and conversations that make adulthood a little less confusing. This is Trentitas, your hangout for surviving your 30s.